Hello, this is Roger Ream, president of the Fund for American Studies, which some of our alumni might know as the Charles Edison Memorial Youth Fund, which is what it was called when I attended a summer program in 1976. Well, I'm here just to let you know that on April 30th, we will be having our Alumni Giving Day. Last year was a big success and provided much needed support in the form of scholarships for students to attend our summer programs. So this year we're reaching even further. We hope to raise $60,000 at least, which will help a number of students who couldn't otherwise come to attend. We'll have challenges available. So no matter how much you can give, whether it's a small gift, a large gift, or something in between, it could be matched and even multiply its impact. So we encourage participation by as many alumni as possible so we can provide that transformative experience that you had to students coming in 2026 to our summer programs. So thank you. Please consider a gift on April 30th, Alumni Giving Day.